Imagine solving a math puzzle so powerful that if you solve it first, you instantly earn thousands of dollars in digital money. No banks, no cash printing machines, no government approval. Just computers racing against time, 24 hours a day. This is the world of Bitcoin mining. And behind every single Bitcoin transaction, there's an invisible global competition happening right now. But how does it actually work? Why do people spend millions on giant mining machines? And how can a computer mine something that doesn't physically exist? Let's break it down. Bitcoin is digital money, but unlike normal currency, there's no central bank controlling it. Instead, Bitcoin runs on something called the blockchain. Think of the blockchain like a massive digital notebook shared across the entire world. Every time someone sends or receives Bitcoin, that transaction gets written into this notebook permanently. But here's the problem. How do we make sure nobody cheats? How do we stop someone from copying fake Bitcoins or spending the same Bitcoin twice? That's where mining comes in. Bitcoin mining is the process of verifying transactions and securing the blockchain. But miners don't use pickaxes or drills. They use extremely powerful computers. Thousands of computers around the world compete to solve a complex cryptographic puzzle. The first computer to solve it gets the right to add a new block of transactions to the blockchain. And as a reward, they receive newly created Bitcoin. That reward is called the block reward. So basically, Bitcoin mining is a giant global race where computers compete using raw processing power. Let's say you send Bitcoin to your friend. That transaction doesn't instantly become official. First, it enters a waiting area called the mempool. Miners collect thousands of these pending transactions and bundle them together into a block. Now comes the difficult part. To add that block to the blockchain, miners must solve a mathematical puzzle using something called SHA-256 encryption. Computers generate trillions of random guesses every second, trying to find the correct answer. This process is called proof of work, and the only way to win is through speed, electricity, and massive computing power. In Bitcoin's early days, people could mine using normal laptops. But today, mining has become an industrial-level competition. Companies build giant mining farms filled with specialized machines called ASIC miners. These machines run non-stop day and night. Because they consume enormous amounts of electricity, mining farms are usually built in places where power is extremely cheap. And that's how Bitcoin is mined. And if you want to learn more about crypto, mining, and the future of digital money, stay tuned and subscribe for more. MinerBros, powering the future of Bitcoin mining.